Hello and welcome to ksgindia.com. Forward-looking declaration adopted. The UN General Assembly adopted by consensus on 21st September 2020 a forward-looking declaration on the commemoration of 75th anniversary of the World Body that calls for strengthening mechanism to combat terrorism, reform the multilateralism, inclusive development, and better preparedness to deal with the challenges like COVID-19 pandemic. The landmark declaration on the commemoration of 75th anniversary of the United Nations was adopted at the high-level meeting of 193-member assembly to commemorate the milestone anniversary of the World Body. In the declaration, the heads of state and government vow to leave no one behind, protect the planet, promote peace and prevent conflicts, abide by the international law and ensure justice, place women and girls at the center, build trust, improve digital cooperation, upgrade the United Nations, ensure sustainable financing, boost partnerships, listen to and work with the youth. It is notable that India's priority for its tenure as non-permanent member of the Security Council found resonance in the declaration that echoes New Delhi's call for strong mandate against terrorism, reform to multilateralism and inclusive development. India played an active role during the negotiation process, working constructively with the President of General Assembly, co-facilitators and like-minded member states to ensure a concise, substantive, forward-looking and unifying text. The declaration, negotiated through an intergovernmental process, says that the next 10 years, which have been designated as the decade of action, will be the most critical of our generation. It is even more important as nations build back from the COVID-19 pandemic. It calls for a strong UN development system and effective collaboration between the United Nations and the international financial institutions, with particular attention to people in vulnerable situations. It calls for immediately curbing greenhouse gas emissions and achieving sustainable consumption and production patterns in line with the Paris Agreement and the 2030 Agenda. UN member states also underscored in the declaration that the UN must better address all forms and domains of threats. Terrorism and violent extremism conducive to terrorism are serious threats to the international peace and security, the declaration said, voicing full support to Secretary General's initiative for a global ceasefire. The member states agreed that conflicts will not be resolved and sustainable development will not occur without the equal and active participation of women at all the levels. Condemning acts of xenophobia, racism, intolerance, hate speech and disinformation, world leaders vowed in the declaration that they will address the root causes of inequalities including violence, human rights abuses, corruption, marginalization, discrimination in all its forms, poverty and exclusion as well as lack of education and employment. They further said that shaping a shared vision on digital cooperation and a digital future that show the full potential for beneficial technology usage and addressing digital trust and security must continue to be a priority, as our world is now more than ever relying on digital tools for connectivity and social economic prosperity. The leaders also categorically noted that the world of today is very different from what it was when the United Nations was created 75 years ago. The declaration asserts the strengthening international cooperation is in the interest of both nations and peoples. It outlines the priorities of the world body and calls for greater action and international cooperation to meet varied global challenges in the years ahead. It is plagued by growing inequality, poverty, hunger, armed conflicts, terrorism, insecurity, climate change, and pandemics. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you for watching ksgindia.com. Stay tuned for more updated and informative videos. Thank you.